Hello everyone, this is me. I am back. Actually, it's been quite a while that I've been off from YouTube, but I think it's I would say that I was lost. I was literally stuck in my life, and I didn't know what to do next because I am a working professional, and so it gets a little tough to balance out everything because I reach around 7 to 7:30 in the evening after office, and then I hardly, literally, I'm not lying, I literally do not have much energy to make any video. So since it's Sunday today, and I thought, let's have a comeback. I should do have a comeback. So here I am today in front of you making a new video, and so yeah, let's get into the video first without taking much. What we're gonna do, as you must have read the caption, today we're gonna learn about shaving. How do we shave our face or upper lips? But in this particular video I'm not gonna show you full-fledged face. We are just gonna focusing on the upper lips. I attended a wedding, and so yeah, I did everything. So now they're back again. So okay, let's get started. So for removing or shaving your upper lip specifically, what you do need, just like 3 to 4 products I would say, which are easily available. First is the rose water. You can use any rose water, like any rose water you can use, any random, not a specific, I would prefer. Next is aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel. It's not important that you're going to use Patanjali's, or you can use any brand aloe vera gel or the fresh aloe vera gel you are having in your pot at home. So you can use that. That will be the best. And third, the main thing which we need is a facial razor. This is a facial razor which I'm currently using. This is from the brand Sanfe. And before this, I was using, I think I was using Bombay shaving. Yeah, I was using a facial razor, Bombay shaving. That was good. I would say like that would be my first preference, but right now I'm having this at my home. It comes in a pack of 3. Yeah, it comes in a pack of 3, and we can use this facial razors in 5 various things. Like we can do upper lips, eyebrows, peach fuzz, chin hair, or bikini line. But personally I use it only for the upper lips. I get my brows done. So yeah, so I have already used its 1 unit, and I have discarded it also. So today we're gonna use, I'm left with only 2, so you can pick anyone. Let's get with the pink. This matches my towel. So yeah, I'll provide I'll provide this link in the description box. You can check. You can find it on either Amazon or Nykaa. You'll get it anywhere, or even at your local store. You find them easily. Okay, so let's get into the procedure now. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna spray rose water on our face. I would suggest you to just drench yourself in rose water and just tap it. Do not rub it, just tap it on your face. Like everywhere. Like you can go the neck also. It always feels so fresh. Okay, so next step is you have the option. या तो आप पहले अपना मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा सकते हो इन द स्पेसिफाइड एरिया एज वी आर डूइंग द अपर लिप. सो आप चाहे पहले मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा लो एंड देन एलोवेरा जेल लगा लो, और यू कैन डायरेक्टली यूज एलोवेरा जेल. जस्ट पुट अ लिटिल बिट, so just put little bit on your hand like this. I hope you all can see, right? Just spread it on the prescribed area. So once you apply the aloe vera gel, just remove the cap of the razor. Just remove it, and very carefully. Okay, here's the, just take a minute. You do not have to hold this razor either directly into the horizontal direction. Like, do not make it 90-degree angle. I hope you all know. Do not make this a 90-degree angle, or do not just do not even hold it like this. Also, you have to make an angle of 45 degrees, which is not so 90 degrees, which is actually the half of 45 and 90 degrees. Sorry. Okay, we're not doing the basic maths. You just neither have to hold it like this or like this. You just have to make it little diagonal to your face. Okay, it's very important how you hold the razor, because otherwise you can have a cut on your face, which no one wants. So please just hold it very gently and at an angle of 45 degrees, like you can say diagonally to your face. Okay, so what you have to do is just, okay, wait. Okay, so guys, मैं बाहर ही आ गई हूँ because अंदर भूल गई थी, लाइटिंग थोड़ी कम है. So always do it in, I suggest you to do it in a natural lighting. So yeah, let's begin. Just apply aloe vera gel a bit more and just do it. Okay, like very light handed, very light handed. I'll show you, wait. Okay, so this is what you will get. I hope you all can see. Either you can use a tissue paper or a clean cotton cloth. So we'll do the other side also. Whenever you feel like a aloe vera gel सूख गया, just reapply it again. And you will be done. Okay. And once you are done with this, take water. After using the razor, do not forget to wash it off and pat it dry, so that the next time you're gonna use it, it won't give you any kind of rashes or allergy. So once we are done with it, there is a post skincare routine also. Again, spray some rose water on your face. Again, do it in dab motion, and after that, once your skin is damp, apply your moisturizer, whichever moisturizer you like or you have been using. I would recommend that please use that moisturizer which you have already been using since uh, last few days, whichever. So apply it, give it a little massage on your face, do some facial steps so that your skin gets proper hydration. Deep, it goes deep into the layers. And finally, the last step of skincare routine is using sunscreen. So please do not forget to apply sunscreen on your face, especially when you have exfoliated your skin. It's very important, though it's the last step of the skincare, but it is very significant in our routine. So do not forget, otherwise one may get hyperpigmentation, uh, darkening of the skin on the face. So it's very important. Please must apply your sunscreen every day. So yeah, this was it. You can see the glow on my face. So this is the post glow. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.